Hello everybody, and welcome to the first development diary for PlatformerX. Quite simply, it's a game that we've made, or I've made, on, it's basically a platform game. So let me talk to you a bit about this game, shall I? Currently, I am the only person working on this. I've been doing this for about a week now, week and a half, 2 weeks, and I am looking for a talented 2D texture artist that can do 3D models as well. I just thought I'd say that if you're talented at 2D art, and then you can make that 2D art into 3-dimensional art using stuff like Blender, 3ds Max, stuff like that, then please contact me, because I've put on collaboration from the Unity forums, but my post hasn't been approved yet. I've put up 2 in the past week. So let's have a look. We got our achievement menus, which doesn't do much. We've got our controls, which needs to be fixed a bit. We've got an about, which I haven't really done to the about much. We've got a spend coins option, so if you have current coins, you can spend it on 10 will give you HP, this will give you life, this will give you movement speed, and this will advance you to the next level without you even having to complete it. One thing I haven't done is I haven't added a little about section telling you what they are, which I'm going to do later on. I'm surprised I haven't done that actually. I've got a load game and a new game, so we're going to play a new game. We do have music and sound. I'm not going to include that in this video yet. I don't know whether it will be included or not. Anyway, click the yes button. So, welcome to your first level. Press A and D to move left to right. Okay, and then you click. So you've got a little click icon. Eventually you're going to make it exchange. So cool. So we got our little things. You can collect your coins. Oh, oops! You probably want to jump on the platforms. You don't want to run through them. And I've selected. So this is blooded. It's an enemy. Here's the enemy here. So this enemy will follow you, and you cannot kill it. I don't know why it's got a health bar, but that will be removed later on. But yeah, you can't kill it. I wanted something very annoying to be added in the game. So there we go. So I'm just showing you a few little things that we've got. Oh, oops. So as far as I'm concerned, the first 2 levels are complete. Well, they're complete. The code for them is complete anyway, more or less. I mean, obviously that we're going to add more things in the future, but I need a partner to help me. So you've got next level, and then you have an achievement system here, which works. Oh, oops. Oh, oops. What am I doing? Okay. So that wasn't meant to happen. That's what happens when you play the game. So I'm not going to show you what you unlocked. So I'm going to talk a bit about the game. So as you see, it's in 2.5D instead of 2D. That's going to be changed later on once I got my texture artist. All this is going to be 2D, and then you can change between 2D and 3D. So that's just this. Now, one thing I've set up is I've set up this kind of quest system where it's choice. You can either choose to help this guy, or you can choose not to. Both will have different consequences. I'm going to choose not to. Okay. So let's just do that. And we're just going to carry on. So everything that was below where our sun was has now been deleted. We cannot even visit there even if we want to. So we just come along, and then, oh, what's this? So we've got a tip here where it says use the shift button to run. And it goes, oh, this is the wrong text. This is bugged. This is the wrong text. Okay, but anyway, this guy will follow you. I put the wrong text in the wrong place. Oops. No! Okay, this is really bloody difficult. So you have to run away, and if he captures you, he will eat you alive. And I've set it up so that he will eat you, and I've included all of these annoyances in the game. I'm going to let him catch me and eat me towards the end, but yeah, as you can see, it's a bit, it's not as easy. No! And if you fall there, you'll reset the level. So here's where we get our 2D and 3D. So I'm not going to really show you the end because it's just basically a copy. It's just basically the same. So if you have set up, this will all be 2-dimensional. And if you wanted to get across, say, the concept is you turn into 3D, and then all of this will be 3D, and you'll be able to move around and do get to coin places here, which you couldn't have done before. And then whoa, bit glitchy. And then whoa. and you'd want to transfer to 2D. So imagine if this was 2D kind of thing. I had the camera's in the wrong place for it to be 2D, but it's 2.5D, so I wasn't really going to do a 2D camera. Anyway, that's been that for now, and obviously I've got a pause menu. I've had it the entire time. We go to menu, and then let's just get a health upgrade. Why not? I'm just going to load here, and we've got 5 possible levels. These 3 are still in development. These 2 are more or less done. So now we've got a new HP thing. What does that do? Bang, 200 out of 200 HP. Now, I want you to look at my HP. Every couple of seconds it regens. So, notice we got a new bottom here, which we didn't have before, which is cool. These coins are out of place, I understand that. So let me just show you what would happen if you'd said yes for this quest. So you'd accept to help him, and then you'd have to, take on this task, which you'll get a life ball before his health drops below a certain point. And for some reason I'm having a health bar bug where there we go. I'm having a health bar bug where this the buzzard thing health bar showing up. Oh bollocks! But it doesn't really matter. We just carry on. We go okay, bang, go back into the 2D because it makes this a lot easier. But yeah, oh, fuck. Why isn't this shit working now? So this is bugging me quite a lot. So I'm literally going to check why isn't this working. It's declined. Where does this end? This bit. Does it end here? No. Ends there. So it's all of that. That's only if that's true. If that's, yeah. So if that's that, and then that is that. Oh, right. And then you got to do and player press dot get int and equal to, what is it down here, equal to 4, and make that not equal to 4 and not, and this will be quest 1. And what are we looking for? That. So we just basically, excuse me, I say. You do double and yeah, that basically fixed that problem. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, guys. It's a bit raining too much, but yeah, this has been a development diary so far. As you can see, we've got well, you can't see because the screen size. Yeah. As you can see here in this corner, we've got levels 1, 2, and 3, and the load level screen and the main menu. The menu needs to be fixed and stuff. So anyway, this has been this week's development diary, and I'll see you next week. Bye.